dating is dead, girls are harder to impress, relationships don't last, and guess who's always available? AI girlfriends. No attitude, no ghosting, just 24/7 attention. No wonder guys are obsessed. But the main problem, if you own an AI girlfriend app, you cannot run ads. Tech giants like Google and Facebook have banned them. So how do you get users? The answer is SEO. Today, I'll show you how to rank #1 and attract users like crazy. If you think SEO is just about ranking higher, you're missing the real opportunity. SEO isn't just about being seen, it's about being the authority that AI and search engines trust. Now let's break this down. The first thing you need to know is who is actually searching for AI girlfriends. You might assume it's just lonely individuals looking for companionship, but the reality is much bigger. Tech enthusiasts are fascinated by how far AI has come and want to experience the latest advancements. Gamers, already used to immersive digital worlds, are looking for AI-driven characters that feel real. Some people are simply curious, exploring AI companionship as entertainment. Then there is a growing segment looking for emotional support. People who struggle with social interactions, or those who want a judgment-free, always available virtual companion. Understanding these motivations is critical because search intent varies drastically. Some users are in the early stages looking for general information, typing in searches like, "What's an AI girlfriend?" or "How do AI girlfriends work?" Others are closer to making a decision, searching for comparisons like best AI girlfriends apps out there, Character AI, or Replica versus Ava AI. Then you have those ready to commit, searching for download AI girlfriend app or AI girlfriend subscription price. And here's where most AI girlfriend companions go wrong. They think ranking for broad keywords is enough, but if you don't match the exact intent for each searcher, you're losing them before they even click. If you're serious about dominating the AI girlfriend niche, you need next level keyword strategy, not just basic SEO tactics. The competition is already optimizing for obvious terms, so your real advantage comes from precision keyword targeting that aligns with high-intent traffic. Instead of targeting generic terms like AI girlfriend, focus on niche-specific, intent-driven keywords that your competitors are missing. According to the Ahrefs keyword overview tool, the keyword AI girlfriend gets 63,000 searches per month in the US alone, with a global volume of 178,000 searches. That's tens of thousands of people actively looking for AI girlfriends, not just casual visitors, but users primed to sign up, engage, and potentially spend money. Yet, many AI sites fail to position themselves strategically for these high-value searches. So, what's the real takeaway? If your SEO doesn't go beyond obvious keywords, you're playing a losing game. But if you own the full keyword ecosystem, Google will see you as the go-to authority in AI companionship. You need to go beyond just finding keywords. You must own keyword clusters. If you're ranking for best AI girlfriend app, why stop there? Google's algorithm favors semantic relevance, so your content should also rank for best AI companion chatbot, AI girlfriend experience, and NSFW AI chatbot. Most SEO guides talk about latent semantic indexing or LSI keywords, but here's a deeper insight. Google doesn't just scan for related words, it prioritizes contextual clusters of meaning. If you write about AI girlfriends but fail to include terms like deep learning AI chatbot or adaptive emotional AI, you're signaling to Google that you're surface level. But if your content strategically incorporates advanced AI relationship terms, you establish topical authority, and Google rewards that with higher rankings. And ranking for the right keywords is just a humble beginning. The real power lies in how you use those keywords to create SEO-optimized, high-retention content that keeps users engaged and signals to Google that your site is an authority. You can't just throw together generic blog posts. You need content that outperforms everything else on the internet. Because here's the truth, ranking high isn't enough if users bounce immediately. If your content fails to hold attention, Google notices and your ranking drops fast. The first step is the Skyscraper Technique. Find the top ranking content in your niche, analyze what makes it successful, and then make yours 10 times better. If the highest ranking page on Best AI Girlfriends apps lists 5 options, yours should list 10. Include expert insights, real user interviews, reviews, feature comparisons, and interactive elements like polls and embedded AI demos. The longer users stay on your page, the stronger the signal to Google that your content is the best, boosting your rankings even further. Google also favors sites with strong EEAT signals. This means citing sources, adding real user testimonials, showing credentials if applicable, and structuring your content in a way that feels reliable and well researched. If you want to rank high, you need to prove you're the best source of information on a companionship. Once your content is solid, formatting matters. Use clear subheadings like H2, H3, bullet points, and short readable paragraphs. Nobody wants to scroll through a wall of text. Users scan content before committing to reading it. So make sure your key points pop. Because ranking first means nothing if your content makes people leave. If you don't stay, Google won't either. Next, you need to optimize on-page elements to supercharge your rankings. Your title tag needs to be both keyword optimized and emotionally compelling. The same applies to meta descriptions. Keep them under 160 characters and make them irresistible. Another major ranking factor is internal linking. Every page and every blog post should link to related pages within your site to create a strong internal map. This keeps users on your site longer and helps Google understand your site structure, making it easier to crawl and index. External links also matter, but don't link to direct competitors. Instead, reference authoritative sources like AI search papers, tech news sites, or major applications to strengthen your credibility. Keep users engaged and you win the ranking game. Google rewards content that people actually want to stay and read. And there is a final rule: don't take shortcuts. Avoid black hat SEO tricks like spammy backlinks, keyword stuffing, and AI-generated low-quality content. Google is smarter than ever, and trying to game the system will only backfire. Play the long game, build real authority, and watch your rankings soar. Most AI girlfriends companies make the same mistake. They focus only on their own website, trying to rank from scratch. But SEO isn't just about your website, it's about where your brand appears across the internet. Visibility beats vanity every time. This secret SEO strategy I mentioned at the start was that instead of waiting months for your site to climb Google, partner with websites that already rank. Reach out to AI dating blogs that dominate search results for best AI girlfriend apps and get your product featured on their listicles and get a backlink, of course. These sites already own the first page. Getting a backlink from them instantly boosts your credibility. Then tap into the AI influencer wave. Big names like Fint, Aitana, and Mila Sofia have massive engagement, and the audiences are your target users. A simple mention in their content can send thousands of visitors to your site overnight. Because if your brand isn't where your audience already is, you do not exist. SEO is as much about visibility as it is about rankings. But the real gold mine? YouTube reviews. Many AI girlfriends related keywords rank through videos, not just articles. If your YouTubers are ranking for best AI girlfriend apps, get them to review your product. They rank, you benefit. This strategy lets you piggyback off existing SEO power instead of starting from zero. AI brands that ignore this will struggle, while those who use it will dominate faster than ever. Smart brands don't start SEO race from scratch. They join the ones already winning. And remember, SEO isn't just about search engines, it's about people. The brands that connect, engage, and stay visible are the ones that win. If you're interested in scaling your business, book a free strategy call in the link below. We scale close to 100 companies through inbound marketing, and we're the top-ranked adult SEO agency out there.